Another useful manipulation is the screenshot. It literally allows you to record the content on the screen in order to share it with others or use it in documents. Let's have an example with this image in Twitter. But it could be a screenshot of literally anything on your mobile. It could be a screenshot of messages, contacts, video, newspaper articles, etc. To take a screenshot on an iPhone with Face ID, you need to simultaneously press and then release the side button on the right and the volume up button. On an iPhone with a home button, simultaneously press and then release the home button and the side button. By clicking the icon with the up arrow, you can decide whether you wish to email, message or airdrop this photo to friends or colleagues, whether you wish to copy it, save it to your photos, save it to your files, print it or delete it.